Hey buddies, it's Fornister, and we're not really doing a tutorial, but more along the lines of a tech demo. Hopefully you guys can see this. This is a rain demo. So when you guys play one of the older games, you know how they did the rain. So what I did was I just took a oval, like, I just typed in rain sprite or rain texture Unity, and it came up with this black and white rain texture. And then I then put it into the game engine by adding a texture, and went over to materials, added it. And how did I actually do that? Okay, first of all, you need to actually select a particle system, so we're going to do that over here. So here's our particle system right here. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to select the rain, and there we go. Now we're going to actually add transparent. Okay, and then we're going to go to attributes, and let's texture real quick before we do anything else. And we need to get it to a darker blue. Okay. So we're going to have gravity. And then what we're going to do, max particles, do 100. Max particles per scene, I'm going to say 100. But what we're going to do is the emitter area is going to be 10. So let's set that, it's 100 by 100. So if we look down here, it's a line. But if we do that, add the emit area. By 100. A 101, 100. Okay, in the direction, we want it to go down. So we're going to say minus. So minus, there we go. So it goes straight down. Now they're a bit big, so we're going to set all these to 1. So minimum start size, width, and height to max start size. Let's say 2, so some drops are actually bigger than the others. So we have a variation of size. We're going to go with fade out, but we're going to say fade out time 1, which means it's going to take a while for it to fade out. And we want it to fade out to almost to white. What you can do is overlay 2 types of average this to the ground. Position, copy that one, then select that one, and then paste that position, so that we have 2 overlaying. So you have a mixture of rain, and then you want to actually run it. Now this may take some CPU power. You are running, 400 particles, but it shouldn't be like crazy. It's going to take some time to load up because it is loading up directly from the engine and not from like a DIL file. So it actually still runs really smooth. We have our particle system there which runs. And there's our rain. We go on top of our hill. Now what I wish we could do was actually, we could probably do this encoding is, as each drop hits the ground, create a animated texture, which we can do in the game, an animated texture of a little puddle, a little wave effect. But this actually should work for your games, or your web games, or whatever. So if you want to have rain, you can now have rain. What you can also do is should be able to change the effect really easily of it just dying off or it just stopping raining. Or replace this effect with a lesser rain, and then after a while have it stop raining totally. Let's get him out of the rain. So that's how you do a rain effect in the engine. And I hope you guys learned something from this video. Hopefully you liked it and subscribed for more videos. Again, we're going to be doing a first-person tutorial series a little bit later. But until then, have a great day. Bye.